Hello YouTube. If you've ever plugged in a speaker, audio interface, or television or display via HDMI with built-in speakers, and you're wondering why the audio is not working or the audio is still coming out from your Mac over here, I will be showing you a quick fix for that. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, anyone can do it. So let's get right to it. So to fix this issue, you will go to System Preferences. I have my System Preferences right in the dock right here. If not, you can also click on the Launchpad. If you have that on your dock, it'll bring in your Applications folder menu where you can choose the System Preferences from your list of applications here. You can also use Siri to bring up your System Preferences, or even search it right here using the search bar. Now, once you are in your System Preferences, you want to search for sound, which is right over here next to Bluetooth. And once you are in here, usually you'll be in this tab right here on sound effects. Well, we're not interested in that for now. We are going to output. Now, at this current moment, I have an audio interface plugged in, and it seems like my sound is still coming out from my headphones that I have plugged in right now at the current moment. Let's say I am using Logic or GarageBand. For whatever reason, my sound is still coming out from my computer, or there's no sound coming out at all. I come to my sound preferences right here and I switch it to M-Track or whatever I'm using. Now, if you are using, let's say, HDMI output, you'll see the type of connection here as HDMI, and the name of your device, like your television for example, will be right over here. Or if you have a speaker or a sound bar that is USB powered or something like that, it will show up right over on this list. So for now, I only have my M-Audio, my M-Track, as well as my headphone jack plugged in. So this is where you'll just choose. Now, if you have any issues with input, like let's say you have multiple microphones plugged in, like for example, I have a microphone plugged in on my audio interface. If I wanted to switch and use that, I can just click on this and my computer will automatically switch to that. Now, if you are using Logic or if you are using GarageBand, you will have to just make sure you adjust the audio preferences within that application and make sure that they match whatever preferences that you've chosen right here into your System Preferences, just to make sure everything works out just fine. All right, so once again guys, if you're having audio issues with a speaker, HDMI television, USB speaker of any kind, or audio interface with your Mac, this is how you solve it. This will work with any Mac out there that is updated to the latest software. So I highly recommend you guys update your Macs. But this will also work if you have some outdated software also. Now keep in mind, some audio interfaces are not compatible with certain older versions of iOS. Not iOS, Mac OS. So just make sure you do your due diligence and do your research to make sure that if you're still having issues or your Mac is not recognizing a specific device that you have plugged in, or an interface or a speaker or TV or anything like that, that it is in fact compatible with your version of software that you're currently running. Other than that, guys, please like, subscribe if you like the video, and if you'd like to learn more, let me know. If you guys are still having any issues or any audio problems, please put it down in the comment below. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, anything you guys would like to learn on how to do on your Mac, I will definitely be more than happy to reach out or maybe make a whole new video to help you out. Other than that, bye.